In this activity, we are talking about the difference between a skeleton and word equation, where if we give you the skeleton equation, you would convert it into words. And don't forget that the balancing coefficients do not need to be stated in the word equation. So in this case, for number 1, I have a solution of silver nitrate, and it reacts with a solution of sodium chloride to produce solid, or you could say a precipitate of silver chloride and a solution of sodium nitrate. So you would literally just write that down word for word, and that's how you would do these problems. So you would show the wording of this problem. Okay? We'll zoom out a little bit. Okay, so that's how you would do the first page of homework. Then, when you look at the word equation and you're supposed to convert it to the skeleton equation, you need to remember that in this case, a solution of something implies that the substance is dissolved in water or it's aqueous. And remember that a precipitate is a solid and all acids are aqueous. So in this case, it says we have hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, and they react to form water. So this would be written as hydrogen gas. Now remember, hydrogen is diatomic. We show that it's a gas, plus oxygen, which is diatomic gas, equals H2O liquid. That's an L. I guess I'll make it look better. Okay, so now you're not done. The next step is to make sure that you balance the equation. I see that I have 2 oxygens on the left, only 1 on the right, so I'm going to put a 2 in the front. Remember, this is the coefficient, this is a subscript. You need to know the difference. When balancing an equation, we can change the coefficients, we cannot change the subscripts. So the next step would be to make sure that now the hydrogens are balanced. I have 4 on the right. I'm going to put a 2 in front of the hydrogen here to make it a total of 4 hydrogen. Then it's balanced. Now for number 2, what makes it tricky is you really need to know how to name these compounds in order to be able to do this. So it goes back to day 1 of naming, and if you need to look at that lesson again, go ahead and do so. But really, we're giving you the word name of it, and you would have to write it as a skeleton, meaning using chemical formulas. Okay, so overall, just rewrite it as a skeleton formula. Bye.